Laser Engraver C1 CNC DIY Laser Engraving Machine 3D Wood, Leather, Plastic Carving, Logo Marking Printer. Take full creative control with the Laser Engraver C1, a compact and powerful DIY CNC laser engraving machine designed for artists, makers, and entrepreneurs. Whether you're engraving custom logos, personalized gifts, or professional-grade prototypes, this machine gives you the freedom to bring your ideas to life across a wide range of materials. The C1 laser engraver is engineered with precision, speed, and reliability in mind. With a robust CNC structure, it offers smooth, stable performance during high-speed operations, perfect for detailed designs, vector art, and image engraving. Easy to assemble and operate, it's ideal for both beginners and advanced users in the world of laser crafting. Hammer and wrench key features checkmark versatile material compatibility. Engrave on a variety of surfaces including wood, leather, plastic, bamboo, paperboard, fabric, and more. Ideal for logos, patterns, portraits, QR codes, and artistic designs. Checkmark Precision CNC Frame. Durable CNC structure provides stable movement and accurate carving. Ensures smooth engraving results even at higher speeds. Checkmark 3D Laser Carving Capability. Supports shallow depth 3D relief engraving, perfect for layered wood and acrylic effects. Create texture and depth in your projects with fine laser control. Checkmark DIY Friendly Assembly. Designed with simplicity in mind for easy self-assembly. Includes clear instructions and support for first-time users. Checkmark Software Compatibility. Works with popular engraving software such as Laser GRBL, Lightburn, and others. Supports image formats like JPG, PNG, BMP, SVG, DXF, G-code and more. Checkmark USB and offline operation. Transfer designs easily via USB. Some models support offline engraving, perfect for uninterrupted workflows. Checkmark Compact and Efficient. Desktop-friendly design that fits comfortably in small workspaces. Lightweight yet sturdy for easy transport and storage. Light bulb perfect for small businesses and Etsy sellers. Custom gift making. Personal logo marking. Hobbyists and DIY creators. Artistic engraving projects. Straight ruler specifications overview. Model. Laser Engraver C1. Type. CNC DIY Laser Engraving Machine. Compatible materials. Wood, leather, plastic, fabric, paperboard, etc. File types supported. JPG, BMP, PNG, DXF, SVG, G-code. Software. Laser GRBL, Lightburn. Power supply. Varies by laser module, usually 5W20W depending on model, gear. Why choose the C1? Easy DIY setup with professional grade results. Engraves in fine detail with high-speed CNC precision. Compatible with multiple design platforms and file types. Great entry point for starting a laser engraving business or expanding your craft arsenal.